Now I analyze data by using AND function. You can add two or more than two conditions in AND function dialog box. If all conditions are true, AND function returns the value true. If one condition or all conditions are false, AND function returns the value false. Click AND function sheet. Cell H2 as value 5.4. First test condition tells that the value in cell H2 greater than or equal to 3. Cell H2 as value 5.4. So first test condition is true. Second test condition tells that the value of cell I2 is equal to full time. Cell I2 as value part time. So second test condition is false. One condition is false in these two conditions. AND function returns the value false. Now click logical function sheets. Click this cell. In formulas tab, function library group, click logical arrow button. Then click AND function. The AND function arguments dialog box opens. In logical 1 box, click cell reference H2. Enter greater than operator, then enter equal sign operator, type 3. Press tab key. In logical 2 box, click cell reference I2. Enter equal sign operator, inverted comma, type FT. Inverted comma. You can test up to 255 conditions in an AND function dialog box. Click OK. Function returns the value false because one condition is false in both conditions. You can see in cell reference I2 the value is part time. So activate this cell, copy and paste the formulas in other cell. Move your pointer at right vertical border bottom edge until its shape changes to plus sign. Double click. Activate this cell. Function returns the value true in this cell because the value in cell reference G3 greater than 3 and the value in cell reference I3 is equal to full time. Both conditions are true. As a result, function returns the value true. Now activate this cell. Function returns the value false in this cell because both conditions are false in these two cells. Activate this cell. Function returns the value true in this cell because both conditions are true in these two cells. Activate this cell. This cell has value greater than or equal to 3. Activate this cell. This cell has value equal to full time. As a result, function returns the value true in this cell because both conditions are true in these two cells. In this way, you can analyze the data in an Excel worksheet by using AND function.